I hope there will be some nice forward testing results as well. Yo, hi YouTube. Welcome to another video. A quick update about my recent state of my time-based breakout expert advisor. Today is Halloween, which is a day off, a festival day in Germany, at least in East Germany. So I had some time to code. Did some improvements inspired by Martin from Darwinex, thanks to him, and René Balke. You can find him on YouTube. Also, very good coder, like him and I like his ideas. Yeah, so I did a little bit of backtesting now, just for one index, which is the German DAX, and for META, the stock. My backtest settings, like they're always the same. I recommend using the broker that you're trading with because they're always like differences between opening hours, closing hours, and of course spreads, different prices, a little bit different prices because they're all market makers. We're trading CFDs. Yeah, so this is why I recommend it. Only modeling open prices only because I trade on new bars. Unfortunately, the Darwinex broker just offers 6 years of price data, but it is okay because there were ups and downs, different types of markets. The more the better, but yeah, it's okay. 6 years if you have enough trades, like a high enough amount of trades. Um, and of course, I always recommend, like not just recommending, it's necessary to do a forward testing. Why? Because it's possible you do like a backward testing and you optimize, and of course you always get great results. If you don't get great results in your back tests, I think you have to improve your coding. But here's the example, like the back test can be super good, like a result of 13 is amazing. But the forward testing would be just it's below zero, so super bad. You see in total it's a negative profit, it's a loss. So don't just rely on the backtest results. You always have to do both. Yeah, so like they have to be both at least above one. So let me find the set file that I chose for the DAX. It is this one. I have many settings that I'm testing, implementing. Yes, no, blah, blah, blah. Maybe one day I'll explain them. Yeah. So let's run it with forward testing as well. We can see the graph. This would be the file for the DAX. I did just one test now. Maybe I'll do a little more testing, but I'm happy. And I also learned like I code a lot, and the more I code, the more things I implement, the more often I backtest. So like the set file that I'm using will be valid for like 2 weeks or 1 month, como mucho. Like if it's high, if it's a long time, then I will backtest again because there's so many ideas, so many things. You just like I watch one video and I get inspired, which is super cool. Why I love algo trading. Yeah, so this is the backtest result, and this is why I say always do the forward testing, because imagine this part of the backtest result could be the stuff that you're just testing and you don't know how the future will be. Like the future starts tomorrow, obviously, but it could go down. It could be a loss, and this is like it's not a guarantee that this one will be profitable, but it gives you a security. If the graphs look kind of the same, if they have kind of the same results, this is like a plus. So yeah, let's run one test without forward, and we can see the whole results. Yeah. Hi, let me show you the graph. Yo, so you see since 2018, always risking like 0.1% of the equity. Yeah, for me it was a very important lesson, a hard-learned lesson to have many trades. So this is what I'm aiming at, having many trades, as many as possible. The more, the better. Of course, the results they're getting reduced the more trades you have, but like the statistic significance raises a lot, and this is what we want. So in total, over 6 years, I have a little bit over 5,000 trades, which is great. I'm thankful for finally having achieved this. The thing that I'm testing for is the CAGR, the compound annual growth rate, like how much it grows in a year divided by the average drawdown. A very good value, the best one for me at least. So yeah, the other data is cool as well, but not too interesting for me. Yeah, what I am aiming right now, like the next thing, is the profit trades are 58%, like the hit rate 58 to 42, but the average trade is smaller than, like the average profit trade is smaller than the average loss trade. And I want to like put them at least in balance and keep the hit rate. Yeah, this will be my next thing that I'm aiming at. Yeah, so the statistics are pretty cool. I like them. This is the German DAX, and let me show you the results for Meta as well. And I think that's about it. Wait, desktop, Meta. Yeah, let's do it without forward testing. It's like kind of the same like the DAX. Um, Although my expert advisor is now about 3,500 lines, the backtest speed is still okay. It's now at 10 seconds. I have to see if I can reduce it again because yeah, if you do many backtest things like this is the black hole, it costs a lot of time. I already built like a big farm of many computers. I just built them for computing. They can't do anything else, no gaming or whatever. Yeah. So, anyways, the graph for Meta backtest results. Also, again, 6 years, 3,000 trades, cool. CAGR of 5.3, which is good. Um, Tomorrow, October finish, and I will get my first capital allocation. Darinex, I will show you an update, and first payouts will come. Yeah. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.